All right, we have a live update coming in from Spain. Joining us live now is Lynn Tumbaga Diaz. Lynn, how are you?
Hi, Alma.
Hi.
Hi,
How are
Alma.
you? How are
It's
you
the
doing
third
there?
day of, yeah, we're okay. It's the third day of the lockdown in Catalonia. And because Spain is the second country in Europe next to Italy with the highest number of COVID-19 cases, emergency measures are implemented. Private healthcare centers will be under control of regional health ministries, opening it for public use, and those with medical degrees without job in health system will be hired, as well as those with medical degrees but without specialization in part of their studies finished, and some international waiting for convalidation of medical degrees will be accepted. Also, the military will help police forces to keep people stay at home, and violations to this will result to a fine of 500 to 2,000 euros or imprisonment. There will be also 50% reduction of all transport except for trains. And regional trains will operate with very minimum services, allowing only 1/3 of maximum number of passengers permitted in any train to obey social distancing. Trains have advisory flashed on their monitors or screens saying what to do after the use of public transport, such as washing hands, use of mask, sanitizer, and also to keep the social distancing. And the Philippine Embassy in Madrid, Spain, also released a public advisory to those who need to travel daily for employment purposes. They are encouraged to secure letters from their employers stating the nature of their job. And this applies to those who are caretakers, housekeepers, and grocery assistants. But some Filipinos here in Barcelona, Spain, were not happy with this advisory, and they posted their reactions on social media. But the Philippine Embassy in Madrid, Spain, answered by posting on social media saying that they are following the royal decree in Spain, which states that working is still allowed and it is not prohibited. And those who are having job displacement as a result of COVID-19 crisis are encouraged to contact immediately the Philippine Embassy in Spain or contact the Philippine Overseas Labor Office. Okay, I also asked some who work in hotels and restaurants, and their employers and companies gave them choices and whether to use their vacation leave, and they will be paid 100% of their salary, or they can use a paro, which means that 70% of their salary will be paid by the government. And other employers are also generous enough to give 100% of their salary without going to work. And also, with groceries or shopping, there is enough supply. And in some cases, if there are so many customers, they were asked to fall in line to prevent crowding of groceries or supermarkets. And those residents who needs to stay at home continues to work inside their home by cleaning and also bonding with their family, doing movie marathons and playing indoor games and keeping in touch with their friends and relatives on other side of the world through phone calls and video chats. And in the other or the lighter side, Barcelona residents continue to pay tribute to the health workers through the aplauso sanitario or applause of salute to those who works in the medical field every 8 o'clock in the morning. And that is all for now in Barcelona, Spain. I'm Lynn Bautista Tumbaga Diaz. We live in interesting times.
Thank you, Lynn. So you guys are entertaining yourself a lot during this lockdown, huh?
Yes, because this lockdown will be 15 days, and we need to make ourselves happy
Yes.
instead of being sad we're having movie marathons and having our quality times with our family.
The tribute to those Spain's health workers, I aired that earlier, the applause. You do that every 8 o'clock in the morning, is that right?
Yes, in Barcelona, Spain, we do that every 8 o'clock in the evening, and in Madrid, Spain, they do that every 10 o'clock in the evening.
So different times. You do that every day?
Yes.
Okay.
That's every day, but different times, because Barcelona does it every 8 o'clock, while Madrid, they are doing it every 10 o'clock in the evening.
All right. Thank you so much, Lynn, and enjoy yourselves during the lockdown. Entertain yourselves some more.
So keep safe. Thank you so much.
Keep safe. All right. That was Lynn Tumbagadies reporting from Spain, and we'll be back with more right after.